I have another one of these Euro profile cheap locks. This one is stamped STS, but I believe this is from the same factory that the last one that didn't have any stamping. So let's try to rake it open with this cheap Chinese rake. And it's open. So yeah, I think there was too much. If you can see, too much metal flakes inside there. So I just had to do a little tap to it, and it opened. So no security pins in here. Same as the last ones. At least I didn't feel any. So let's try it. Can we do it again? This time faster. When there's no metal. Yeah, and it's open again. So yeah, 2 times in under 3 minutes. So yeah, this is not that good of a lock. So stay away from these STS and other Euro cylinder locks that look like this with the black locking paw and brass cylinder. Don't buy cheap locks. That's my advice to you. So yeah, buy and hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you really like this video.